wild weather day across parts of Jamaica today, Monday, June 16, as strong winds, dust, and even rain swept through sections of the island, particularly in the parishes of Kingston, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and other neighboring parishes. Some described it as gust front, others a freak storm. But according to the Met Service of Jamaica, what we actually experienced was squall-like activity, essentially sudden bursts of intense wind, sometimes accompanied by rain or dust. As a result of this extreme weather activity, the Jamaica Public Service company JPS is reporting that approximately 50,000 of its customers are without electricity. The power service company says they are actively working to restore service to those affected as soon as possible. Over by the Kingston Wharf, there were also dramatic scenes as containers toppled by the impact of the strong winds. Meanwhile, on social media, online users quickly reacted to the sudden weather activity, with online users commenting about being blown away by the winds. One woman jokingly said her wig flew off. Thankfully, no major injuries have been reported so far, but this is a stark reminder of how quickly the weather can change, especially living in the tropics. And of course, we are also in the midst of the hurricane season. Do remember to stay safe and stay alert.
So